Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fucking night, I keep the quality in my shorty back. You know she wants mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell her all my secrets if I let you close?
I'll never be sober, I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high, and now that it's over, I'll never be sober, I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high, but now I'm so high, but now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Girl, what's your problem? 'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh, and now, girl, we can solve them. If you just give me some time, I can open up your mind. If you let you can free your mind. 'Cause I know it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe it. Now I'm so high. And now it's over. I'll never be sober. Couldn't believe it. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Girl, if it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful to me. Oh, girl, give it one night. You just give it a chance. But baby, what's this my plan? 'Cause I know one day.
Okay, so now I'm back in my room, and as you guys saw, I just brushed my teeth, washed my face, did my hair, and all that. I got dressed in my outfit. I'm gonna show you my outfit later, but I'm running so late right now. Today is Wednesday, August 17th, and we start school on Wednesday, which is so ridiculous to me. Like, so ridiculous. Yeah, right now I'm using a brown shade. Like, I don't even use this shade. Doing a full face today. I was gonna do eyeshadow, but I have no time to even think about doing it. I got my lashes done for the first time, and they look so good. Y'all, sorry if I'm not talking a lot. I'm just trying to really like hurry up. But let me talk a little bit. So, I did my hair last night, well, yesterday, and it came out literally so good. I still gotta fix it up a little bit, but before I leave, like, touch it up one more time. But it looks so good. So proud of myself. I was gonna go get my hair done, but anytime I go to somebody else to get my hair done, my edges are gone. Literally every time. Yeah, I could literally cry right now. Like, I just can't believe school is here. Like, I don't want to go to this place. Like, it's the first day of school and I don't even want to be there. Like, for real. I'm just not excited to be back at all. But I am feeling back like my old self again, because I was rocking them braids to the last drop, okay? To the last drop of seconds I could. So yeah, definitely glad I'm not doing that anymore. But yeah, my girl ate on the lashes. Now I don't have to do my lashes, worry about this, worry about that. Thank God I have my thing. They look so good, guys. Like, they literally look so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about this. It's like, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, give it up. It's me. I win and you lose. I wasn't even supposed to wear this outfit for the first day, but my other outfit fell through. So, you know, you gotta have backup plans. So, yeah. I'm a bad. Half this video is just gonna be singing Nicki because it's Nicki, so why not? My lips are so dry and I can't. So this is eye cream, but it's gonna be lip balm today. Like, I don't even want to look at the time because I know that I'm so late. It's definitely gonna look like I have makeup on with these dark circles. My eyes be watering so bad with these lashes on though. Okay, I don't even know where my phone is, but whatever. I have so many palettes that I haven't used yet. Like right now, this one is still like it's still at the paper on it, and I got this thing months ago. Like, I haven't bought new makeup in so long. They have to switch me out of some of my classes because some of my classes are incorrect, like driver's ed. I have a license, so I don't need to be in there. This was my first day of school. This first day of school. So I knew it. I told my best friend. I told her I'm just gonna be late. Like, I know I'm gonna be late. It's like not even a question about it. There's a question. You got it. That looks so crazy on camera, but I promise y'all I look good in person. You got it. This is spray is so good. I haven't used it in so long, but it's so good. I'm gonna bring my camera charger to school because my camera dies so freaking quick. Like, that battery does not last at all. So glad that I don't have to put on lashes because that would have took up all my time, for real. This is the makeup look. Hold on, it looks so crazy on camera, but whatever. I'll show you guys later, like, when it's actually cute. I'm vlogging today at school, so you guys are gonna be able to see. Yeah, I'm gonna come out.
I think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching the movies, but we ain't seen the thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but you making me keep it up. Cause then I like to keep you up, so baby I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee, I never need healthy.
I'm about to show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. Everything is from Shein. And yeah, I got this sweater, this skirt, because we can't wear skirts. So this is the skirt. And her shorts. And then my foam runners. And then my Nike slides. I mean, my Nike socks. Yeah, this is how we looking today. This is what we're giving. Cute. Giving the girls life. Okay, guys. So I'm in the car now. Yeah, I'm driving today. My mother's in the passenger seat. Okay, so we'll go to the store, right? So we'll go to the one that's Bosco. On the way we go. So, mother, are you excited for my first day of school? I am just glad to just feel like my old self again. In my hair, in my makeup, in my nails. Like, everything just back to where it needs to be. Finally back up to bar. You know Erin, she left?
Who's Erin?
My friend that I be going to parties with and stuff.
She did what?
She left to yeah, so sad. Left her. But shall we still hang out that way? Get in the middle line.
You gonna turn? You don't know your way to your school?
No. Not, well, I do, but from 54th Street.
You gotta take a leak. Oh, I was saying go to 54th Street out.
That's why I'm like, turn this
over
way.
there in that lane. Why? I don't know. You get that wide old turn like that.
It really be these schools and they be taking me out. Damn, Liza don't do a thing.
When I said, you good?
Now, sir, why would you get in front of me dropping that slow? I'm a junior, yes, yeah, I'm a junior. You wish you were a junior, brother. Yeah, that girl, yeah. I can't believe this, mommy. Can you believe it? I'm gonna be a senior. This is crazy. But I'm looking so good. Definitely top last school year. I look so good.
Oh.
You just look so mean coming from out of the school. Like, did you beat somebody up? No, mother. That's crazy because my friends be saying the same thing. Like, you look so mad.
You got your stove coming up right here. So watch your median, watch where you finna turn in and turn on your blinker. Somebody
right
behind you, yeah. You gotta watch everything, the person that be behind you and everything. Make sure you turn your blinker on, let them know you turn it.
Definitely parked wrong, but whatever. Let's go. These so far. I wonder if they got those. I'm thinking they got those other things. They do. Y'all, these are so good. Some candy.
I was my student jumped in the goddamn car, and somebody jumped in the car when I took a picture and ran on with the goddamn car. Man, I swear to God, I was so mad.
Just
Guess who had to find it? Man, I had to go deep in the hood and ask some transsexuals, man. Hey, man, I need y'all to do y'all research, man. Get it digging them asses. And they thought I had the shit. And the motherfucker online said I told him he could have it for his birthday. I said, bitch, not this car. Bitch, I'm about to beat your motherfucking ass. Bitch, and you stole my phone.
It's 7:25. School starts at 7:20. But this is no strange thing for me. See you later. Y'all, I'm at school. I'm doing my class. And ciao. I don't know what it should at, to be honest. Like, I don't know what this class is. Oh, 3 plays here. Yeah. So we are honors. Yeah. Honors/gifted, yeah.
Yeah, and we looking good.
We all different colors too. Orange, purple, gray. As we should.
Yeah.
As we should. And we looking good too.
Oh, because I thought
Yeah.
if we said something.
What? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yes, we in this class. We are.
Show how many kids up in this girl.
It's deep. Every seat is filled. They actually look good. They're really cute.
Why you do it? Because I knew that she was booked first of all. And then, I don't know, I just think about the brand. I was thinking about it, but something told me in my eyes. Oh, and then I don't like not being able to rub my eyes because they start falling off.
Yeah, I can't rub my eyes.
That's the first thing I do when I wake up, rub my eyes.
Let me get this car. What?
It was sticking out. It was
Oh, I didn't even see it. Y'all, so we still in the first period, but we just walking back. Hey, girl, you look good.
They ain't sent nothing about your skirt? No. I'm coming tomorrow.
I missed you too.
Girl, you look good.
Thank you. Y'all do too.
Thank you. So yeah, now we walking around because there's nothing to do. We're literally just sitting there, so might as well just be walking around.
It's just giving we can take our pictures right now.
We could. We really could. And they better not say nothing.
I didn't want to take my picture with my brother. I didn't know what was to my conversation.
Everybody was.
Because my sister, she is nasty. Stop running around coming to me.
I thought you said you was still.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I can't move that.
Come on, we need to take some pictures. We need to take some pictures. Good morning. I'm good. Let's talk about it. Yeah, I already got one more year of school when I'm done.
Okay, now that light is red. There we go. Okay guys, so I'm in art class right now with Anaya, and then we with True. Yeah, you see us. I'm gonna transfer my pictures to my phone because my pictures actually came out this morning, like, thank God. And yeah, I look so good right now. I think this is the first day where I actually like think that I look really good. Like, I definitely did the dang thing. Yep. So in a minute we're about to go out and look for sticks and stones and stuff like that for our project, and I'm gonna show you guys the AP art by the way. But yeah, we is really out here looking for sticks for this project. Oh yeah, over there. Oh yeah, but over there look like something gonna jump out at me. So so yeah, we're just looking for sticks and stuff for the project. We don't even know where we're gonna build. I don't know. They look like a little mango, to be honest.
There's barely any goddamn sticks. I'm about to just pick one.
So we're just going around. This is the backyard. That's my elementary school, my old elementary school, right there. Oh, we should break the little sticks over there at the end.
Right? Let me get out this grass. I don't want to mess with my
Oh yeah, you wear your own way. Look at Shu's outfit. Perb, senior.
kind of basic bitch.
Don't play.
I thought this. Hell no. Girl, there was somebody in that house. Oh no. Nope, not that one.
That's why I put sticks.
Oh my god, I'm paranoid. Okay. They found the best.
Oh, it's decided.
Oh no. Too bad.
It's decided. We're building a tree house. But I don't want to say it too loud because we don't need anybody's done already. So.
Okay.
I'm back in the class now.
The tree house on top. And then the bottom could be like, you see them things like the Greek thing?
The art.
Yeah, the art. The bottom could be a nice little art. And then we could put some grass on the bottom.
Dang. These cookies are so good. Like, they literally bomb. Get some. I really want something to drink, but I forgot to go to the machine. So I'm just gonna have to go during lunch, which is in like 30 minutes anyway, so it's fine.